Hello there. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make a toasted barbecue pork sandwich. Yes, a toasted barbecue pork sandwich. Of course, with the barbecue sauce and the whole 9 yards. Oh, why not a sandwich, right? Why not? Okay, so I am doing my Thanksgiving series. This is not included in it, but I did want to throw this in the mix because it's something that I wanted to eat and I wanted to show you. Is that okay? Alright, so let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and please let's start sharing the videos so that you can share with Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is one of those things you share food, right? So you're going to share the recipes from Grandma Ray so that everybody can get prepared for their big day and you can get prepared for your big day. So share the videos. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so I have my frying pan on. We're going to put some olive oil in the frying pan. And it was called on the package pork country style pork ribs is what it was called, but you know it's just boneless pork, right? So that they cut into cubes about like that. Well, they're not cubes, but strips about this long. Okay, so I just cut the strips in myself again several times to end up with this size. Okay, all right. So now we're going to put that in the frying pan. And we'll wait until that catch up. Going to put some oil on the top. Okay. So now that's all lubricated. So let's doctor it up with some flavor. I would like to put, one second, I'm getting something. Okay, I have some onion paste here. I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons, heaping teaspoons of onion paste. And now I'm going to add some adobo. Some garlic. And a little cayenne pepper. If you don't like hot stuff, don't add cayenne pepper to yours. I use cayenne pepper every now and then to make sure that my sinuses are clear. It helps clean it right out. Okay, so I'm going to let that catch up for about 3 minutes. Thank you. Okay, so let's check on our pork. It is cooking slowly. I'm just turning pieces over to make sure that they all cook evenly. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? The word of the day. The word of the day is beauty is sometimes skin deep. Let's think about that for a minute. Beauty is sometimes skin deep. So my interpretation of that is this. Sometimes you're looking for the beauty of a person on the outside, but it could be under the skin. Sometimes you look for beauty in things that people say, but sometimes they don't say anything, but the beauty is underneath the skin. Sometimes beauty is skin deep because you really haven't discovered your beauty. Maybe your beauty is skin deep. Come on, bring it out, because there's a beautiful side of you and even others want to see. That's the word of the day. Beauty is sometimes skin deep. Okay, let's check on our pork. I'm going to take a temperature. I had to pile a bunch together because it's little strips, so it's kind of hard to put the probe through. But if you keep pushing it through a bunch of them, you'll be able to take the temp. Okay. No, I'm not there yet. Okay, my setting was wrong. Let me try that again. Oh, we're there. We're definitely there. We're at 160. We're there. Okay, so I'm going to take the pork out of the frying pan, and then I'm going to rinse the frying pan out, and then we're going to come back with our barbecue sauce. 1 minute. Okay, so I took the pork out the frying pan, and I rinsed the frying pan out. And now we're going to add it back in, and we're going to be adding Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. And put that in. Oh guys, look at that. Okay, I'm putting a little more on. Oh yeah, so now we're just gonna let that glaze on there a minute while I get the bread and toast it. 1 second. Okay, now that our barbecue pork is done, I got the toast here, and I put a piece of cheese on the toast, on one piece of the toast. No, let me see. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna put the rack inside, turn it on, and we're gonna just only do this for 2 minutes. Let's see if that melts the cheese. Okay, so meantime, I'm gonna plate up the, I'm gonna put the bread on and put the pork on and start plating that up while I'm waiting on that piece of bread with the cheese to melt. 1 second. Okay, now that our barbecue pork is done, I got the toast here, and I put a piece of cheese on the toast, on one piece of the toast. No, let me see. Okay, 1 second. Okay, our off light is on. I put the barbecue pork on the toasted part that doesn't, on the toasted bread that doesn't have the cheese. Okay, that's soft enough. I'm satisfied with that. I can push on it. Okay, so now I'm going to put this on a plate and present it to you and taste it. 1 second. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I put some potato chips with it. You know, potato chips go good with a sandwich, right? Look at that. Huh? How about that? Okay, so let me taste. Thumbs up. I wasn't too sure about the cheese, but it works. It really works. It's good. Really good. And why not a chip with it? Okay, love you. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe.